Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see quick and easy pasta salad recipe. Let's get started. Bring some water to a boil to cook pasta. Then add salt. Then add 1 cup pasta. You can use your favorite pasta, whether it's macaroni, fusilli or penne, anything would work in this recipe. You need to cook the pasta for 10 to 12 minutes. After that, the best way to check is that take one pasta out, eat it, and if you feel that it's done, take it out. Drain the pasta and add around half teaspoon oil. Toss the pasta and keep it aside and let it cool down completely. It's a cold salad, so the salad which we are preparing today is a type of cold salad. Now in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Squeeze juice from 1 small sized lemon. Whisk it well. If you do not have a hand whisk, you can use a fork. Whisk for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon honey. The salad is going to be slightly tangy, slightly sweet. It turns amazing, so don't miss or don't skip honey. A pinch of salt. You can adjust salt later after adding pasta if you feel there is a need to add more. Drop in the boiled pasta. 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum. Half cup cherry tomatoes, or you can use your regular tomato, chopped tomatoes. Half teaspoon crushed black pepper, that is kali mirch. Don't worry, raw capsicum tastes absolutely fantastic in salads, but make sure the tomato and the capsicum that you're using are fresh and crunchy. If you want, you can add the lettuce leaves directly in the salad. Just tear the lettuce leaves, add to the salad and toss, or you can alternatively serve the salad the way I'm doing. You may add some slices of olives. My husband loves olives, that's why I'm adding. And then add some mayo. Then next you can add some hot sauce. You can either add chili sauce or sriracha, or if you do not have any of these, you can add ketchup, but any hot sauce would go better in this recipe, or you can add your favorite sauce to the salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such wonderful recipes. Enjoy!